Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to disable the comments from the admin section, and whenever there is option like comments are closed, so we will check that option also. So let's start the tutorial. So here first of all you need to go to settings, discussion, right? Here we have the options, allow people to submit the comments on the new posts. So if you want to click on that so that people can comment on it. And whether you have the user must be registered or logged into the comment, so you can also do that settings into the settings section of the discussion, right? So after this you need to my mystery, or you can change the avatar of this. I'm going to use this one. Save, go to the post, right? Add new post. Here I'm going to add a new post. Test post. Right here I'm going to add hello everyone. Parameter, right? And whether you want to allow the comments or not, this is come over the option using screen options. Here we have discussion and the comments, right? So here you're going to need to check this on, and then you can allow comments for discussion. I'm going to save this option, view this option, open in a private window. Comments are opened, so you can add comments. Hello, test message, right? And then here we are more testing comment this. So hello test message will come over here, right? So if you go and check in the comment section of this WordPress, let's go to the discussion. We have comments. Let's reload the tab. We have the comment section, comments. See this hello test, whether you want to approve or unapprove, right? And if I go to the test post here, if I'm going to reload this, here the comment is added, this one, whether you want to approve or unapprove, right? Or reply quickly. Nice. Apply it and update it. If I'm going to load it, this is 100. Nice. Admin 6. Okay. So this is how we can manage things with the comment section in the WordPress posts and discussion, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.